All right, this is the elevator at 1600 Abbot Road in East Lansing, Michigan. It's an Otis. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this day forever. You gotta be kidding me. No way. I can't believe I did it. I found one. No freaking way. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe it just happened. I finally found my first Series 5 NEL. Oh my gosh. All right, let's ride. I have been wanting to find one of these for so long, and I finally found one. All right, let's go to 2. It's absolutely gorgeous. Series 5 NEL. Let's take a look at the call real quick. Parentheses style. Alright, let's get a cat view. It's got secure clear access too.